Uh, Good evening, everyone. So now today we'll have some discussion on referencing. So why references are important? References are important to avoid plagiarism, to give credit to the credit and acknowledge people who have done the work in the particular area. And if somebody asks from where you have taken it, so you can show with credibility, yes, from here we have taken it. So these are the key reasons why we do the referencing work. So for that, we have some standard ways of referencing, quoting it. So when we use that standard way of quoting it, there are several such methods. In that, the Vancouver style is the most commonly used. Vancouver is a place in Canada. So, so the referencing style is named after that. We'll see later what is the thing. So usually the author's name followed by the et al. If there are more than 6 authors, so we'll just name quote the 6 authors and then put et al. Then full stop and then the journal, the article. Uh, so then we have the journal in which it is published. So and journal name is given in terms of short form as per the midline, and then year of publication, the volume, the issue, and then the page number. So all those things are there, and this is for a journal article citation of referencing. And then you also have multiple other books, chapter in a book, report, website, a software, like this, multiple things are there. So we'll see all of them, how a referencing is done. So all these things, if we do it manually, it will take a lot of time, right? So to avoid all those things, uh, we use the help of software. There are multiple software, uh, Mendeley and zotero, then EndNote. Likewise, there are multiple softwares. So our Zotero is one of the free software. We will see how it is done. First, let us see the advantage. It has some advantage which we will see. Before that, we will see how to install. So I have already the Zotero. Already it is installed. Suppose I uninstall those that software first. So I just install. There are two ways of doing it. One is through the software, download the software. Other is directly through the web. So you can log in. So before that, you have to register. So register the like how we do it, like how we do it for creating an email ID. The same way we'll be registering. So I just uninstall to show you. So what I'll do is I'll go to website, Zotero website, and then I'll download the web for download. This is my system is 64-bit, so I'll download it. So this is once there is also another way. I shall once it is downloading, I'll create an account in Zotero. So what I can show is login, and I don't have or register. I can already have, so I'll just for the sake of uh, demonstration, I will create another one. Going to register this. Use the email ID. Create. So, okay, I'm registering it. Thank you for registering. It's activated. So if I go to my email, uh, I'll be able to activate it. So it is activated. And yes, so now it is done. So I have an account, right? So I think meanwhile it is downloaded. I'll install it. It's a trusted website, so I can download and install. It's now installed. So now I have installed. Okay. Installation could not be completed because an error occurred. Please ensure Microsoft Word is closed. Okay. So I'm closing it. Don't save. Okay, it is installed. So as this is showing my earlier account already there. So what I can do is I will first exit from that existing account and then exit. Okay, this is the latest zotero. Open account settings. Okay, this is the payment thing. I don't know how we even for this. No. So now I'm trying to log in. This is different. No, not exactly. But okay, this is how you install and not getting how to exit from the current account. So this is a different. Uh, okay, so let us assume that this is a newer, the newly created one. That is thinking directly. Whatever files sometimes. Okay, so I reached probably 300 MB. Manage it. So here, okay, so in one system, only one account we can use. Looks like so we have to unlink it. So instead of that, I so once we unlink all the data will go from this computer. Okay, unlink this account. Anyway, I will do that. So what I'll do is I will do newer. I'll create a newer one so that I can show from fresh setup simply. So what it will do? Switch account. So I'm now switching to a newer account. So all data has gone from this account. Okay, now so this is a fresh one, fresh account with fresh uh, file of zotero. So now it is a clean sheet, clean slate. So now what we are going to do is now uh, suppose I am doing a research on diabetes in a tribal population. So I'm just Google, let's say, I've got this article, Sri Ram, and then, so now you have the details, right? So you have some details. You have DOI for this article, you have PMID, so you have some identifiers for this article, which you can use to, so when you go, first thing is you have to create a new collection, maybe demo, I'll just click. So that is a new collection. This demo now you want to add some of the things. So add item by identifier. So you are going and this DOI is one of the identifier. Copy paste and enter. So ready. So reference is ready. Right. Similarly, you can also go with the other identifier, that is PMID. You take PMID and then go to identifier, copy paste PMID number, same article because it is PMID article of the PMID of the same article. So what we'll do is diabetes tribal population. I will just check another thing, another article. Let's say Radhakrishna Mittal. We also have our own article. We'll see. Should come, yes. Mostly at all. So this is another article. So this is this also has a DOI article. We can copy paste this DOI. Similarly, you can copy paste ISBN number, right? So all these DOI, PMIDs, things. So this is another article. Okay, so that's the thing. So once you have some articles in the database, similarly you can do the book also through the ISBN number. Okay, so this is one method. Other method in the software is go if you don't have any of the identifiers. So if you want to add a journal article, you click here. So it will show here. So you have to manually type the title, author name, publication year, volume, issue, pages, date, series. Like this, you have to enter DOI manually everything. Similarly, you can also enter a book, software, all the things, letter, right? Newspaper, sometimes thesis, and Braille literature. All these things can be done. Report, like WHO report or any other UN report. So all those things are also can be entered. So, but all those things has to be done manually. So that is one. Otherwise, also you can do like manual copying. For example, when you go to any article, there will always be a part like cite. So go there, copy this, copy and paste in into the uh, wherever you want to write. Right? That is manual, not without using any software. So that is another way of doing writing reference. So that is one thing. I will also show another method wherein we can use like Bharatha Babu article. So here, inside this article, we can download the citation. So that would have been saved here. So saved the citation. Right? So that is RIS format, it is saved. What you can do is go to zotero, you can import. Go import to show the file. So this is RS file. Next, go to this citation. Next, next, finish. So this will actually come as a separate thing. So now you want this to go to the demo. So move it. So now it's already there. So Babu et al. It has come. So these are the multiple ways where you can build your database. Like you are putting money into the bank. So depositing money into the bank. So now once like this manually or after downloading RS file and importing or using identifier. So multiple ways you can build your database, and then once everything is ready, what you can do, you have to open the file. Let's say uh, just open the technology. Some of the file. what we can do is we can insert, let's say, okay, I'll another open another uh, file. Okay, okay. I'll just open another file randomly. So once we open the Word file where our text is ready, you have to see uh, zotero in the dashboard like this. So you can see a zotero here. Then what you can see is add and delete. Supposing, and when you click that, you will have multiple options. We use over one four. So we can say okay, and use store citation as bookmarks. That also can automatically update citations from the database and using the abbreviations of the journal from the medline. So all these things we can click and say okay. So it is ready. Supposing we want to insert the reference here. So again I will go to this add and so I will say Boneta. Okay, Boneta. Babu et al. Okay, author name. I'll just click. It is ready. Enter. The number will come. Then second reference within citation. So here now number 2 is coming. If you check above, number 1. Sriram. Sriram et al. Sriram et al. This has become 2. This has become 1. I don't know why. 1 is not seen. You can refresh. It should come. Sorry. The cursor was here, so that is why this has gone here. So probably I'm shifting. So now 1, right? 1, 2, 3. So 3 references is inserted. So after inserting references like this, finally we have to put it here. And then when we want to make a list, add or edit biography by bibliography. Click it, ready list will come. In case, so you need not bother about how to give this or write these references, the author's name, followed full stop, and then title of the article, then full stop, journal name, full stop, year of publication, year and month, then the volume, issue. So all those things you need not be bothered about how to do it, right? So automatically it will come. So that is the advantage of doing this. And also if you change the order in the text, for example, here you have so you have first one Babu and second Sriram and then Nancy. Then so what you can do is like what you okay, this is the first one, right? So if this paragraph, if we move here, then so there is a change in the order. So once you refresh, automatically this becomes 2 and this becomes 3. And then here also you can see in the bibliography, the order has changed. So this is the biggest advantage of uh, using software for referencing, right? Apart from uh, writing the correct pattern. But at least correct pattern nowadays it is easy. However, changing the order uh, and changing the reference bibliography. So that and whenever we do alteration in the text, this is So this is in brief about using the zotero software. You can use other types of referencing also. So when you say referencing is how we insert how inserted number comes, what is the pattern, what type of bracket it is, all the superscript or regular one, uh, and then order of writing. All those things constitute the reference. Okay? Thank you.